really never looked back after the 8-0 start for USC.
Again, Horado.
Bilis na laro nila today, partner.
More than... So, I guess Horado's trying to... Alam mo, tuloy-tuloy dapat yung momentum. So, umami na lang siya.
I like that, Eliza, because I said that before also. Sometimes it hurts you. Side of UP. Underhand to Monares. Altea, over. And Bancil, the rookie, sends it back for a 7-4 start.
New chances, new opportunity for your team.
Right.
Iba din yung dala niya na may bibigay na laro mo.
Bancil, sinungkit, nakuha ni Capistrano. Another chance here for you.
Run their play.
Run and gun. Oh, good reaction by UST, but that will not go over.
Off the block,
Good timeout by Coach Bok.
It was so hard to realize that.
Pinabawi, partner. Pinalikan.
Better setting for Carvalho. She's gonna give lots of points for UP.
Abu drowned a little bit on that one. Adjustment by Monares, and the cut shot comes in. Of Angge. Julia had to adjust. Good coverage there by Bancil. The dive there by Ilongo. That's what you were talking about, partner. That transition play would have not worked if not for Mabet Ilongo there.
Back-to-back points are both from out of system. And it's not easy to hit it as fast as like that. And Horado just know how to get the point.
And again, another loaded serve. And look at that, no coverage there. Great block by Olango. (16-15) is the score. UST has taken over the lead. Exchange here. De Leon has been trying to chase balls here for UP. Carvalho, in the meantime, will send it over to the other side, and it is Poyos who still wins. First of all, they can't challenge that, but they were going to try to challenge. The referee's already waved it off. Monares! There's a check. Block touch. It has been De Leon as they continue to search for a 6 that really works for them.
I guess it's been working onto their advantage, switching up setters.
Ooh, the combination play with Aboneta finishing that one. What a set by Julia.
Iba-iba din yung feeling,
Yeah,
but
sure.
I guess it's just the mindset that kailangan bumawi after that error.
So now, broken play and an easy over for UST. Good anticipation there by Isulan. Chance here to counter for UST. Popping it up to Mabet Ilongo. As Poyos will continue. That's a good set. Good anticipation by UST. Back set to Olango. Tapang ni Kian. Tapang din ang set ni Julia.
Binigyan ka ng bola ng setter mo.
Nika Kabasak, the pride of Bacolod, also in the match for the first time to serve. Oh, wow, and talk about a completely broken play for UST. Still 20-18, Bianca Plaza to Haboneta. Haboneta gets it back. That's the set that she likes, partner.
A quicker set from Julia De Leon.
Gets us going for this rally. She has a full front line to work with. Good serve. Pepito with a chase. So a giveaway here. Celis underneath. Carvalho. The tip from Abu doesn't work. Olango na naman!
Off the hands, Kian Olango.
Ganda na laban natin dito sa second set. 23-all. Carvalho reverses to Horado. Welcome back, Red Horado.